Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, we will look at the process to set access permissions to data folder on virtual computer. The account owner or administrator can use one of the following access types to restrict or allow permission to a data folder. Allowed. This is the default setting. In this type, user can access the folder in File Explorer or from other application in virtual computer and using Tally Prime. Also, user can download files and folders with this permission type. Allowed in Tally Prime. With this access type, user can access the folder only using Tally Prime but not in File Explorer or from other application in virtual computer. Also, user cannot download the files. Disallowed. Under this, user cannot access the folder from Tally Prime and File Explorer or from other application in virtual computer. Also, user cannot download the files. Using these access types, you can control access to the data folders for all standard users or an individual user. Let us consider a scenario where owner or admin wants all standard users to access data only from Tally Prime and restrict access to file folders from File Explorer or other applications, and also disallow download of file or folder. In the owner's virtual computer, go to the folder for which you want to set access permissions. Right-click on the folder. Click Set Permissions from the sub-menu. In the Manage Access screen, select Allowed in Tally Prime against Standard User. The rule is applicable to all users under the user type Standard Users. Now, go to the virtual computer of any standard user. Try to open the restricted folder using the File Explorer. You will get the message Permission Denied. Now, open Tally Prime and access the companies from the same folder. You can access the companies from the folder. As you can see, as per the set access type, standard users can only access the data from Tally Prime and not from File Explorer. Let us now look at another scenario where admin owner wants all their users to access the data only from Tally Prime but wants to give a specific user full permission, that is access to the files folder from Tally Prime, File Explorer and other applications in the virtual computer. In the virtual computer of the owner, go to the folder you want and set user control. Right-click on the folder and click Set Permissions. In the Manage Access screen, you can see the option Allowed in Tally Prime against Standard User. Now, to give full access to an individual user, select the user in the Select User drop-down and click Add. Here, we have selected the user kumar@gmail.com and his computer name is tallyuser0033. To set access rules for the user tallyuser0033, select Allowed against the user. Click Save. With this rule, all standard users can access the folder from Tally Prime. However, tallyuser0033 is given access from Tally Prime, File Explorer and other applications. He can even download the files. Let us see this in action. Go to the virtual computer of tallyuser0033. Open the folder using File Explorer. You can see that the folder is accessible. Now, open Tally Prime and go to the folder. You can access the company data in the folder. User can download the files from virtual computer. Let us go to the virtual computer of another user and check. This is the virtual computer of tallyuser0034. Here we are not able to access the folder through the File Explorer. But you can see that the folder is accessible from Tally Prime. Also, user is unable to download the file from virtual computer. Let us now look at yet another scenario. In case you are maintaining multiple subfolders, for example, Bangalore, Chennai and Delhi under data folder, and you want to restrict access to Bangalore folder for all users except two specific users. Similarly for Chennai and Bangalore. Among the two users of Bangalore, one has full access, one is allowed in Tally Prime. In the virtual computer of owner or administrator, go to the Bangalore folder. Right-click and click on Set Permissions. In the Manage Access screen, select the option Disallowed against standard users. You are restricting access to this folder for all standard users. Now, to give access to an individual user, select the user in the Select User drop-down and click Add. Here, we have selected Tally User 0035. Set access rules for Tally User 0035. Select Allowed against the user. Now, select Tally User 0036 in drop-down and click Add. For Tally User 0036, select Allowed in Tally Prime as access type. Click Save. Now go to Delhi folder, right-click and click on Set Permissions. In the Manage Access screen, select the option Disallowed against standard users. You are restricting access to this folder for all standard users. Now to give access to an individual user, select the user in the Select User drop-down and click Add. Here we have selected Tally User 0033. Set access rules for Tally User 0033. Select Allowed against the user. Now select Tally User 0034 in drop-down and click Add. Select Allowed as access type for Tally User 0034. Both the users are given full access to Delhi folder. Similarly, you can set for Chennai folder. Let us see how the access control is working for Bangalore folder. Open the computer of Tally User 0035 who has full access. Open the Bangalore folder in File Explorer. You can open. Open the same folder in Tally Prime. You can open. User is allowed to download the files from virtual computer. Now open Tally User 0036. Try to open the Bangalore folder in File Explorer. You cannot open and will get the message Permission Denied. Now open the same folder in Tally Prime. You can access. User is not allowed to download the files from virtual computer. Since we have restricted all other standard users, let us try opening it in Tally User 0033. As you can see, the Bangalore folder is not accessible in Tally User 0033, both in File Explorer and Tally Prime. At the same time, the user can access Delhi folder. You can control access to individual company data folders also using this feature. This is how you can set user-level restrictions to data folders on AWS. This enables you to stop tampering of data folders and allow access only to required users and only through Tally Prime if required.